Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to turn on personalized ads on your iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you want to turn on or turn off personalized ads on YouTube apps, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the videos. First of all, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to proper Wi-Fi internet connection, and after that what you have to do next is you have to simply look for the settings here, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply click on general here, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply click on transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings, and after resetting all of your network settings you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply look for the app store here, and here you have to simply search for the YouTube app, and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the YouTube app, and here you have to simply open the YouTube app from here. And after that what you have to do, you have to simply click on profile section, and here you have to simply click on settings, and after that you have to simply click on manage all history, and here you will find all of your history related to your YouTube, like what kind of videos you watch, your likes, your interactions, and even you can simply turn off or turn off your YouTube history. Now what you have to do, you have to simply click on saving YouTube history, and after that what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of my ad center here. So here you can simply change the settings related to personalized ads, which means you can simply turn on or turn off your personalized ad settings. So here you can simply turn on or turn off your personalized ads on YouTube. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe to our channel.